Hello, little detectives! Today we're playing a super fun game called Which Animal is Missing? I'll show you a group of animals, then one of them will disappear. Your job is to guess which animal is missing. Are you ready? Let's get started. Here's our first group of animals. We have a lion, an elephant, zebra, and a giraffe. Take a good look. Now close your eyes for a second. Okay, open your eyes. One animal is missing. Can you guess which one it is? It's the giraffe. Great job if you got it right. Let's try another one. Now we're looking at some animals that love the water. We have a penguin, a dolphin, a turtle, and an octopus. Remember them carefully. Now, close your eyes again. Open your eyes. Which water-loving friend is missing this time? It's the penguin. You're doing amazing. Let's keep going. Here are some farm friends. We have a cow, chicken, sheep, and a pig. Look carefully. One of them will go missing. Close your eyes. Okay, open your eyes. Which farm animal is not here anymore? It's the chicken. You're so smart. Ready for the next round? Here are some animals from the jungle. A monkey, tiger, parrot, and a snake. Watch closely because one of them will disappear. Time to close your eyes. Open now. Which jungle animal is missing now? It's the tiger. Fantastic job. You're really good at this game. Finally, here are some animals from the chilly Arctic. Polar bear, a seal, an Arctic fox, and a walrus. Pay close attention. Now close your eyes. All right, little detectives, which frosty friend is gone? It's the seal. Great work. Let's move on to round 6. Here are some animals from the desert. A camel, lizard, a scorpion, and a fennec fox. Watch carefully. Time to close your eyes. No peeking. Which desert animal is missing now? It's the lizard. Great spotting, detectives. Here's a group of feathered friends. A flamingo, a peacock, an owl, and a sparrow. Let's see which one disappears. Which bird is missing now? It's the peacock. You're flying high with your guesses. Now we're under the sea. We have a shark, seahorse, a jellyfish, and a crab. Watch closely. Now close your eyes. Time to open your eyes. Which sea creature is missing? It's the jellyfish. Great job. Here are some rainforest animals. A toucan, a sloth, frog, and a jaguar. Let's see which one will disappear. Which rainforest friend is gone? It's the sloth. You're amazing at this game. Finally, we have some safari animals. A rhino, a hippo, crocodile, and an ostrich. Remember them carefully. Which safari animal is missing now? It's the hippo. You did it, little detectives. You guessed them all. Wow, you were amazing today. You guessed all the missing animals. Let's learn about amazing forest animals. Look, it's a big fluffy bear. The bear says, grr. Bears live in temperate forests. Did you know bears have a super sense of smell? They can sniff out food from far, far away. Hoo-hoo! An owl is sitting on a tree branch. Owls live in rainforests. Guess what? Owls can turn their heads almost all the way around. Here's a sneaky fox. The fox says, yip, yip. Foxes live in deciduous forests. Fun fact, foxes have special whiskers on their legs to help them feel in the dark. It's a gentle deer. The deer says, ba-ba. Deer live in woodland forests. Did you know deer can jump super high, like as high as a swing set? A howling wolf. The wolf says, ah, whoa. Wolves live in boreal forests. Wolves are team players. They work together to find food. Tap, tap, tap. It's a woodpecker pecking a tree. Woodpeckers live in temperate forests. Woodpeckers have long tongues to catch yummy bugs hiding in trees. Chitter, chitter! It's a playful squirrel. Squirrels live in woodlands. Did you know squirrels can jump 10 times their body length? That's like jumping over 10 of themselves. Hop, hop! Here comes a cute rabbit. Rabbits live near forests and grasslands. Here's a fun fact. Rabbits can see behind them without even turning their heads. Snuffle, snuffle! It's a porcupine. Porcupines live in woodlands. Porcupines have sharp, pointy quills to protect themselves if they feel scared. Look at this prickly little hedgehog. Hedgehogs live in temperate forests. When they're scared, they curl up into a tiny ball. Chip, chip, a speedy chipmunk. Chipmunks live in woodlands. They have special pouches in their cheeks to store food. Chitter chatter, there's a raccoon. Raccoons live in deciduous forests. Fun fact, they have hands that can open things, like little fingers. Gnaw, gnaw, it's a beaver busy building its dam. Beavers live near forest rivers. They use sticks and mud to build their homes, just like little architects. Look at the quiet lynx. The lynx says growl. Lynxes live in boreal forests. Their big furry paws help them walk on snowy ground like snowshoes. Squeak, squeak! Bats are flying in the sky. They live in rainforests and woodlands. Bats use sound to see in the dark while they fly. Look at that spotted jaguar. The jaguar says roar. Jaguars live in rainforests. They are amazing swimmers and love the water. Look closely. It's a chameleon. Chameleons live in rainforests and can change colors to blend in with their surroundings. Oh, ooh, ah, ah, a playful monkey swings by. Monkeys live in rainforests. They can use their tails like an extra hand. Here comes a big tiger. The tiger says grrr. Tigers live in rainforests and temperate forests. Did you know tigers love to swim? Trumpet. It's a mighty elephant. Elephants live in rainforest. Their trunks are like long noses they can use to grab things. Look, it's a panda munching on bamboo. Pandas live in bamboo forests and eat almost only bamboo. Yum! Here's a giraffe. Giraffes live in savanna forests. They have long tongues to reach high leaves on trees. A quiet panther stalks by. Panthers live in rainforests. They can see very well in the dark. Grunt, a sleepy koala. Koalas live in eucalyptus forests and can sleep for up to 20 hours a day. Snarl, a busy badger. Badgers live in woodlands and dig underground homes called sets. Hope you had a great learning. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us next time for more fun games and adventures. Bye for now, little detectives.